Fauci and others have stressed that, you know, that is the best case scenario right now with all of the mitigation measures in place.
And Dr. Fauci and Dr.
This
Birx
wave
from
of
the
infections
President's
that we're talking
Coronavirus
about.
Task Force are expected to provide more details this evening, but it seems like the country was just a little too late to the social distancing thing.
Of intensive care beds.
Just yesterday, a country that has so much money but is reduced to scenes like this.
Matt, I give 2 to Matt. I give 3 to Matt. I give 4 to Matt. I don't know how to stop my imagination from turning off.
Okay.
It takes so long.
Well, you can keep your imagination going. It's up to you.
5
Those are the numbers I have a
and
hard time.
6. Never. Alright, we're gonna do it again, alright?
But 2 and 2 equals 4.
Give me the marker.
Whoa.
Uh-huh. Head. Oh, this is beautiful. Is this a horse?
This is the circle.
Part of it is to be intentional, to focus on this right there. New days they got. Yeah.
What do you say when they're
Not just to protect Can you do it? Zone 2. 2 minutes. You got it? You did it! Work out in the end. Because it just... Okay, Henry, it's the end of the day, so you have one last chance. We're here in the United States. We're here on the east coast of the United States, just hanging out, and we want to go all the way across to Syria, we would take a boat
Is there?
to Europe. We would go through Europe. We went to Taiwan, which is right here, this little island off of China. Who's been to Taiwan? Did you enjoy Taiwan? We drank lots of tea. Now let's see if you can rinse it to see if you really did get all those little scraps off. Rinse. Keep going. Now you have to pull off the little hair. It has a lot of hair. These guys do.
Look at how close I am. Butter.
A lot of people love butter on their corn.
I don't want.
Come off in 4 minutes. So let's close it, let it cook for 4 more minutes, and then we can come out. No, I don't want anyone to hold it. This is very hot boiling water. No. Whoa, where did all the water go? Through the holes. And where's the pot? Nice. There's one.
You won't taste them.
Oh, careful. And pour.
This guy right here. Super mean, super mean. Okay? Let's be done talking about this guy.
I see the king is a sword.
No, he doesn't have a sword. He uses way worse weapons. Okay, listen. If you keep going this way, you'll get to Asia.
I'll go to Asia.
Okay, well, let's go to Asia. We'll go to Japan. So if you start going from the United States across this giant ocean called the Pacific, you'll end up in Japan. What else does it have?
No seats.
No seats.
Nothing.
What are those that you're drawing?
People.
Oh, there's people in there?
But we are making them work.
No way.
Thanks for watching this video. That was a little different than what I usually do here, but I think it was important nonetheless, and maybe something you can relate to if you are in a weird lockdown situation as well. One thing I've been doing a lot of during this time is listening to a lot of audiobooks. Today's sponsor is Audible, which is a giant repository of audiobooks. I've been subscribed to Audible for like 9 years, I feel like, and have consumed hundreds of audiobooks. I'm currently listening to one called A Short History of Nearly Everything, which is a fantastic listen. It talks about the history of so many different aspects of science, and I'm learning a lot about it. You can start listening to Audible for free right now. You can go get a book if you go to audible.com/Johnny Harris or text Johnny Harris with no spaces to 500-500. You can go get a free book as well as unlimited access to Audible's original content. It's a growing library of stuff that only is available on Audible. And all of this you can get for free if you go to this link. I'll also put this link in the description. But the point is that Audible is a fantastic bargain for me. I am a monthly subscriber, have been for many years, and I'm just thankful that they exist. So thank you, Audible, for existing. Thanks for sponsoring this video, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.